So because it's Earth Day, it's a day where we really honor the earth and give back to the earth. And I thought this is one of the things you can do to show the way you honor the earth, to go and clean it up. And we're also going to sit in a circle and just, I'd like everyone to share what they are really grateful for about this planet and about this space. So my motivation to do this was because I came here when I saw all the garbage first, when I ran through further down the beach and into the woods there. I just really felt the urge to do something, and I always picked up what I could, but usually I didn't have a bag or something, and I just thought if we make it an event and people can come together, it would be great to have this beach cleaner and to get people more encouraged to be more careful in the summer when they get out there and throw stuff in the water.
Hi, I'm Betsy. I'm here to help clean up the beach at Sicamous. And I think it's great to get the community together to do this for our beach.
When I was running down here a few weeks ago, it was still way out there, the water. So it's come up quite a bit now, but we can still get what we can. And we'll do our best to get this beach cleaned up for this summer.
Loving the nature, so I'm so happy